Welcome everyone. Just doing a little trimming on some trees around the trailer court today. And yeah, that's what we're doing. Hope you enjoy. It's just kind of zip-zop, trimming some lower limbs off and taking down a maple. And of course my GoPro ran out of energy when I was cutting down the small maple. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you're all having a great day. The little saw is running pretty darn good today. The reason I go up and around this, see this? That's just fiberglass right there. Clear fiberglass, that whole strip right there. Oh yeah. Hey Jay, still. I used my still today in the tree. Use my still. Ladder, chainsaw. Oh no, oh no. Snap cut. Yeah! Crooked old spruce limb. Left-handed, snap cut. Clear out your escape path. No, I'll wait. Snap cut. Better? Yeah. Awesome, everybody. Thanks for watching this little video of trimming these trees, a couple trees around the trailer court. The reason we are doing this, if you're wondering, is because especially on the spruce tree, the last tree I was standing on the roof. You could see all that stuff all that debris I was standing in. Well, the limbs were so sagged so far down, they were sitting on the roof of the carport, right? So all those needles were falling, and even rain would come, and wind didn't have a chance to blow all the spruce needles that fall out of that thing, you know, because needles, that's what they do. They fall out, and right? So they got built up right there where those limbs were touching the roof. So we wanted to get it up high enough to where it won't do that. So when wind comes, like the wind's blowing right now, when wind comes, it'll have a chance to blow those off there, or rain can wash them off, right? So that's what we were doing, is just trimming up things around, you know, getting it above the carport and stuff like that, and trying to get some of the dead stuff out. Yeah, there's lots more dead stuff, but we'll deal with that. Snow will take care of some of that this winter. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. It's just here and there. All right, we love you all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Stay tuned.